13 years, and that we are worried that this case may be a precedent for other Jamaicans, poor Jamaicans, who may now have themselves subjected to a system where you can be in custody for 30
What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? It's a boy Cmr Entertainment with the latest news and reviews like all the time, every second, every minute, every hour, every day. So as I see the title, as I see the thumbnail, you all know we're heading out with this one and what's on the news menu. Before we get to what's on the news menu, remember like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified immediately whenever a new video drop. Now back to what's on the news menu. What we have on the news menu, people: Vybzkartel retrial update. A lot of things been taking place in the court. Well, this is the last day of the retrial hearing, and it was very interesting what the judge had to say to the prosecution pertaining to Lizard and also Vybzkartel freedom. Vybzkartel retrial hearing, Day 6, Court of Appeal concerned about the delay to start cases sent for retrial. So that is one. Court of Appeal has expressed serious concern about the prosecution push for a murder retrial in the Vybzkartel case, while two murder-related cases sent back for retrial, one in 2022 and the other in 2023, are yet to get trial dates. So basically, the judge has said, why y'all pushing so hard to prosecute and convict Vybzkartel when there's two other trials that should be done that don't really have a date as yet? So no one justice for Vybzkartel that bad to look over those cases. So that simply means you are willing to breach the rights again of other prisoners just to secure a conviction for Vybzkartel. The judge basically has said them people and learn, you know. Them not learn. But watch, you know, let's get back into it. It has been bothering me. I am very concerned, said lead judge Marva McDonald Bishop. She said it appeared the prosecution was more interested in pursuing the case involving Kartel and his three co-accused who are charged with the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams. The judge asks what is significant about Lizard killing that is not present in the case involving former policeman Russian Hamilton, who is accused of murder of 14-year-old pregnant girl. The judge asks that for a specific reason. The judge really asks that for say, so really interested so much in the Lizard thing over a 14-year-old pregnant girl being demolished, being murdered by an ex-policeman. Like the two of the whole of the scenario, they just sound absurd. That sound worse than Lizard. That should be priority. Remember, that is two children involved and also an ex-servant of the law. Y'all not interested in that? That's basically what the judge is saying to herself. His case was sent back in 2023. The judge noted that the other cases involved Trevor Taff, who is awaiting retrial for alleged beheading of his common law spouse. So the judge has said, we're not interested, not even in that. Remember, you know, the society has moved towards the protection of women and women rights. You see me, no violence against women, stand up for women, body positivity and everything. So the judge are saying, so not even that, we're not interested in that. We want convict Vybzkartel this bad. Alright, okay, hear what the judge have to say again. Acting Director of Public Prosecution Paula Thompson told the court that prosecution is not focused on the victims of the crime but the circumstances of the crime. Yeah. So basically, the prosecution has said, no, judge, no, nothing like that. We need a business boy, Lizard, you know. We just try to save ourselves and try benefit the crown. With the crown simply mean the government. Yeah, man, we are trying to save the government money and we are trying to uphold the conviction. Yeah, man, we are do this in the interest of the government. You see me? You notice them stated that. They never said the public, you know. Them said the what? The government. They never said the victim's family, you know. Our justice, you know, no, them never said that. Them said this. Them said the crown, which the crown represent the state. So that simple mean, you know what that mean. So she said there is no premium being placed on cartel case. So basically them say Vybzkartel case didn't get any high priority. You see me, it's just a normal case, just like any other case. Well, at that she said that is the DPP, the acting DPP. Yes, that's the word out of her mouth. The senior prosecutor told the court that the state is simply ready to go ahead with the case if a retrial is ordered. She said the crown is ready for the matter to proceed as early as September 2024, which is this year, although she noted that the Supreme Court would accommodate it in early 2025. Them a play games right so. So you mean to tell me people will wait for trial long for years, man? They are jail wait for trial years. Them can't make a special situation for them where in which the channel them can get express. You know, like when you ship something express, yeah, not the normal shipping in express mean I get it at a super early date at a more convenient time. You see me, to match the demand that you want that same product to do. You see me? So then basically I say watch and we drop every single thing. Because how far September really they from June. So basically we must say we drop everything, man, for accommodate this case. So like we have to accommodate this case. It's not a if or a but or a maybe. You see me? Also, Thompson said witnesses are ready. So that's how they must say, you see me? They must say the witness them ready to testify again. So them never stated which witness, if it's the main witness or just some other witness that checked in the evidence and who went to arrest Kartel, or some other normal witnesses, because the main witness was the main witness was Chow. So if Chow is not on this case, if it should go to a retrial, then this case is doom. But watch out, we have a next article from the Star I want to get into. So let's get into it. Acting DPP say Kartel and co-accused should not escape justice. The prosecution has urged the Court of Appeal not to allow Vybzkartel and his 3 co-convicts to escape justice on a technical blunder. In the interest of the public in Jamaica, that those persons who are guilty of serious crime should be brought to justice and should not escape it merely because of some technical blunder, argued acting DPP Claudette Thompson. She said there are remedies to address constitutional breach regarding delays in the case. The court have been and should loathe to dismiss a matter due to pre-trial publicity, as the criminal justice system has within sufficient safeguard to mitigate against the risk of prejudice, prosecutor said. Thompson said there are sufficient safeguards to ensure that the men get a fair hearing by an independent and impartial jury. Well, if that was the case, we wouldn't be here today. So it simply means that the safeguards are not working, and if they are working, well, it's not working in the Vybzkartel case. It probably work in other case. I am not here to deny that or anything, but I am saying it is not evident in Vybzkartel case. So let me know what y'all guys think in the comment section. Is it me? Share your honest thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. I don't know, CMR Entertainment always have the latest news and reviews, and guess what, I'm out.